Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how Digit analyzes your spending habits. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's get straight into it. Now, once you've linked your bank account, Digit uses advanced algorithm to study your income. It also studies your recurring bills, spending patterns, and cash flow. It looks at your deposits, your withdrawals, and regular expenses to understand your financial behavior. Digits AI features out what money you can safely net aside without impacting your daily needs or upcoming bills. It constantly monitors your transactions in real time, so if something changes like a big purchase or extra income, Digit adjusts how much it saves accordingly. This personalized analysis means the Digit saves small amounts automatically and gradually, so you won't even notice the money leaving your account. It's like having a personal financial assistant working 24/7 to build your savings without stress. And that's how Digit's smart saving technology works behind the scenes. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to set your savings goals in Digits. So if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.